It's finally time for a little upgrade to this area that's just out in the middle of my front yard. It's where a giant oak tree once stood that I had taken out a few years back. It was causing damage to my roof, and to tell you the truth, I do not miss the leaves. Since I'm replacing the white stone I have in my backyard with brick from the brick haul, I can bring some to the front and make a little plant border. For the summer, I'm putting the 5 lavender plants here to see how they do. If they bloom again later, I might just go ahead and plant them here. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next one.